students, welcome to class 6 maths, chapter 2, whole numbers. So students, let us understand about what is a pattern. A pattern is an ordered set of numbers, shapes or other math objects arranged according to a rule. Means what, students? A pattern can be arranged in an order according to the set of numbers. It can be arranged with the shapes. It can or other math objects. And it can be arranged according to rule. Means what, students? Here, if some numbers rules are given. According to that rule, pattern designs are formed. So let us understand more about pattern with examples. Patterns in whole numbers. Students, here you can observe that designs are formed by using which shape? Dot. So here first one you can see by using dots which shape is made? Triangle. How many dots are there? 3 dots are there. For second pattern you can see here also which shape is there? Triangle. How many shapes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 dots using triangles are made. Now here also students you can see that there are which shape? Triangle. How many dots are there? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 dots using triangles are made. Below that there is a dots only. But which shape is this? Square. So using 1 dot, this is 1. Using 4 dots, squares are formed. Using 9 dots, again squares are formed. And using 6 dots, again squares are formed. What can you observe from this number? The numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16. So which are this number? Yes students, they are square numbers. 1 square equals to 1, 2 square equals to 4, 3 square equals to 9, 4 square equals to 16. So here using dots only 2 different designs we have made, but it is made according to the rules. Let us understand more about number patterns using dots. Here students, different numbers are given. Using dots, which shape can be made? That we have to understand. For example, the first number is given is 2. So using dot, which shape we can make? Which shape is this? Line. Hence we can make line. 3. Using 3 dot, which shape we can make? Can we make square? No. Why no? Because square needs 4 square. And here how many dots are there? 3. So here we can make triangle. Now 4. Using 4 dots, which shape we can make? Yes, we can make square. 6. Using 6 dots, which shape we can make? We can make rectangle shape. Here you can see this is a rectangle shape. Now let us understand more about the rules and also how to form number patterns using dots. Here using dots, which shapes are made? They are made triangle. But let us understand which rule is used. As what we have learned in our earlier slide, that patterns are formed with a rule. So here let us understand which rule is used. 1 dot is there. So 1 here, 1 plus 2, it is increased by 1. And using 3 dots, triangles are made. So next pattern is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So here 1 plus 2 was there, earlier pattern, plus 3 here, it will be increased by 1. Total how many dots are there? 6. But now how this pattern is formed? See, earlier pattern is 3, so till 3 these patterns are used. And these 3 dots is added this side, 1, 2, 3. So this way these patterns are moving. So here now in this, it will increase by 1, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. But how the pattern is made? What is the rule of making pattern? Till 6 dots, this will be the... And then how many dots we have to add? 4. So these 4 dots is added above this 3 dots. So here 4 dots are added. So this is the rule of making pattern. 15. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 15 dots are using 15 dots patterns are to be formed. But what is the rule? That it is added above. So till 10 dots is this design, and above that 5 dots more will be added. Now students, 21. So using 21 dots, what is the rule? It is increased by 1. Number is increased by 1. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 was the earlier, plus 1, that is 6. So 6 we are having added. So here the total of this is 21. But means what? Here till 5 dots, that is till 15 dots is this design. How many dots will be added above that design? 6 dots, because last one is what? 6. So 6 dots is added. Similarly for 28, here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So total is 28 dots, but how the design is formed? Here till 21 dots this design is there, and above that you can see students 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 dots are added. Similarly we can do for 36 dots and 45 dots. So here for 36 it is increased. So here till 8 dots means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. So 8 dots, the addition of this is 36. So till 28 dot, this is the design, and above that how many dots will be added? 8 dots. Now 45. 45 means students, here it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. So total of adding this is 45, and here after 36 dots, here above that 9 dots are added. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is the rule for this pattern, that these way patterns are formed. The rule can be varied. Let us understand one more pattern. See, in this pattern what is the rule? You can observe that students, here one square is made. Then what is the rule? Above that again one square is drawn. So plus 1. Why plus 1? Because this one square is here and it is added 1. Now this 2 is already this 2 pattern and it is added 1. So every pattern 1 box square, 1 square is added. So here you can see these 2 and this. So 3 total square. Here now this 3 square is this, and this is 1 extra square which is added. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Similarly here now this is the 4 square and plus 1 this is added. So this is the rule for this pattern. Every pattern having different rules. So let us understand with these circles now. Using circle different patterns are made. See here students, you can see that the pattern 1 is having how many circles? 3. Pattern 2 having how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pattern 2 having how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pattern 3 having how many circles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But what is the rule of this pattern? See, earlier pattern 1 was 3 straight circle. Then this, using this 3 straight circle, here 2 more are added. So 3 plus 2, 5 circles. Now here see, this is the till 5 pattern. Now here again below that 2 more circles are added. So 7 circles are there in pattern 3. So how many circle would be there in pattern 4? What is the rule going on in this pattern? Adding 2. So 7 plus 2, 9. But how we will make a design? So what is the rule? That these till this pattern 3 we will make, and these 2 circles we will add below. So this is the pattern 4. Now students, in your later class, it may come that how to find nth term. So let us understand this. The number of the circles in each pattern forms a linear sequence. What is the meaning of linear sequence? Means the pattern is having adding 2 rule that remains same for every pattern. The rules are not vary when the patterns are formed. So here 3, 5, 7, 9. So what is the nth term? 2n plus 1. How we came to know 2n plus 1? Because students, if we do 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So now if I want to find number of circles in 58th term, means how I will find? I will write n equals to 50 and then I have to solve. So 2 50s are 100 and 100 plus 1 is 101 circles is needed for 50th term. Now which formulas are used to find this nth term pattern? So here nth term of arithmetic sequence is an equals to a plus a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Means what, student? This a1 is a first term of this pattern, and nth term we have to find. D is the common difference. Okay, so here in the earlier slide common difference was 2. 2n plus 1 we get as the nth term. So this formula will come in your later class. Thank you.